So 2 field event silver medals and 4 disqualifications. That statistically sums up the Jamaican performance at the just concluded World Indoor Championships. You all realize that in these championships, the first in the post-Usain Bolt era, Jamaica had more disqualifications than medals. Anyway, we want to look closer at the disqualification of the women's mile relay team, who were second across the line. And all Jamaicans were just as stunned as Genevieve Jellyfish Russell when we saw the infringement that led to the disqualification. Russell moved from the position she was placed in by the track official to receive the baton from the incoming runner. So even though the incoming Jamaican runner changed position and was now in second place, Russell should not have moved, as she was being advised by the said track official and as per the IAAF rules. And although it might look trivial and harsh, but she did change positions and the team was disqualified. And in these times, when Jamaica is finding medals hard to come by, it is very unfortunate. The fact of the matter is, though, that Genevieve Russell came up in the Jamaican system where this kind of infringement is generally not penalized. Not even sure that most people knew about this rule. Well, we know about it now, and we better start paying closer attention to this particular rule. Because guess what? Ignorance of the law is no excuse. So we have to start use.